Hi guys, welcome to my channel Subhash Sar's classes. In this class we are going for the next concentration unit. After molarity and molality we go for normality, and this concept is linked with two things. The instead of number of moles of a solute we take the gram equivalents or chemical equivalents of a solute and volume of the solution in liter. So some way normality is linked with molarity. Both of them have the same denominator. In molarity we had volume of solution in liter in the denominator, and in normality also we have volume of solution in liter. But where is the difference? In case of molarity we take number of moles. The number of moles is found by dividing the mass of the actual mass of solute and its molecular weight divided by its molecular weight. So the formula looks like number of moles is the mass of the solute divided by the molecular mass. So it is a division of two different masses. But when we find gram equivalent, we take the molecular mass of the solute also in the same way, but we do not divide it by molecular mass. Instead we divide it by equivalent mass. So actual mass by equivalent mass gives the number of gram equivalents. This is a number n, and when we take n and divide it by volume of solution V, then we get normality n. So this formula is very easy, but where we go away from the track is we are not using the number of moles, instead we are using number of gram equivalents. And what are gram? Say suppose I am using hydrochloric acid. Suppose 365 grams of hydrochloric acid is dissolved in 5 liters of water. Calculate its normality. So I have two steps. First I have to find number of gram equivalents, then I have to consider the volume in liters, then I have to divide these two. 3-step job. First step, finding number of gram equivalents. In 365 grams of hydrochloric acid, which is a solute. So first we have to find its molecular mass. Molecular mass of HCl is 1 plus 36.5 gram, and you know in an acid we have to find the number of replaceable hydrogen ions. So this is here H plus, which is 1. So clearly equivalent mass is molecular mass by the replaceable hydrogen atom. So this is 36.5 gram divided by 1. So we get 36.5 gram. And for your knowledge I can add, if you have taken H2SO4, which this is 32, this is O4 is 64 and hydrogen is 2, you get 98. So 98 gram, 1 mole of H2SO4 is 98 grams, and here you divide by 2 because there are 2 hydrogen atoms for finding the equivalent mass. So here equivalent mass is 36.5. So in 365 gram of solute, number of moles is 365 divided by 36.5, but we have to find gram equivalent. So the molecular mass divided by its equivalent mass is 36.5 and the mass is 365. So number of gram equivalents is equal to 365 grams divided by its equivalent mass, which is 36.5. So you get 10 gram equivalents. So normality will be the number of gram equivalents divided by the volume, and number of gram equivalents is 10 and 10 GeQ divided by the volume is 5 liters. So you get 2 gram equivalent per liter inverse. So it is a 2 normal solution. Now how to define a normal solution? A 1n 1 normal, read as 1 normal, 1n solution is one in which 1 gram equivalent of solute is dissolved in 1 liter of solution. This is about the normality, definition of one normal solution, and we have also found unit of normality is gram equivalent per liter, L inverse. And with this we conclude this class, and we will go for parts per million in the next class. Thank you for watching. Bye.